Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel The Productive Girl. Today's video is my 2022 planners lineup. I'm going to show you guys what are the planners that I'm going to use for 2022 and how I'm going to use each of the planner. If you're interested, then keep on watching. Now let's get started. First of all, I want to give a little disclaimer that I use multiple planners because that's what works for me. I used multiple planners in 2021 and it really worked for me. That's why I'm continuing it for 2022. But that doesn't mean that you have to use multiple planners as well. So be intentional and just ask yourself if you need multiple planners or not. And don't just get influenced by me or even any other content creators who use multiple planners. Definitely multiple planners is a personal choice. I use multiple planners because it's what works for me. Now let's begin. So first, this is a Plenty 2022 planner by Zoomin. So it's a customizable planner with our name on it. All the planner reviews for each of the planner that I'm going to show. So if you wanted to have a proper flip through, you can watch those videos. I'll link everything in the description box below. So this one, I'm going to use it like a catch-all planner. Catch-all is basically a planner that you can use when you can't use all other planners. Like if you want to use multiple planners, you can be overwhelmed at some point, and during that phase we can't really use all our multiple planners. At that time, if you don't want to miss some important details, then that time catch-all planner came to risk. Here you will just collab everything that you have written in other planners. Like if you have like a separate personal planner, and if you have a separate work planner, and if you have a separate study planner, you just merge all the three planners into this one planner. That's called the catch-all planner. It has like nice space for each and every month, so I can just jot down important dates combining with all the planners that I'm going to use. Since it's small and tiny, I just thought it's perfect for catch-all planner. So this is going to be my catch-all planner. Number 2, ink bucket planner. This is one of my favorite planners of 2022. This is going to be my personal / life planner. So in this planner, it's all about my personal stuff, my family, like my home related stuff, and everything that's personal to me. It's going to be in this planner. I choose this planner to be a personal planner because it's focused more on the self. It has like lot of prompts to reflect upon and review. It has weekly reflections. That's the main reason why I've chosen for like a personal planning. There will be like a typical pages like spreads for each and every planner. Like there will be goal setting and there will be calendar, and then just writing those stuff can be a little overwhelming if we want to write all our goals in all our multiple planners. So what I will do is that the calendar mostly I will use for that month's like task or important events that's related to the planner that I'm going to use. Like this is a personal planner, so here I will jot down birthdays, anniversary of my family and friends, and other personal stuff that I want to remember and just related to that. But this goals and stuff, I will DIY it into some other spread that is related to the personal aspect of my life. That's it. That's how I use the typical spread that will be in all the planners. So this planner will be my personal / life planner, and this is kind of a main planner for me. Number 3, this is the planner by Botanical story. I love this planner so much, and I just thought I should include this in lineup. And as soon as I saw the planner, I came to the conclusion that I'm going to use this planner as a journal because it has these lines which is perfect for like writing like a diary or journal. So every day I will write like 2 to 3 lines about that day, like how it went. So it will be nice, or we can even write like a gratefulness note. I've used the 2021 factor notes planner like that, and I really liked it. So I just thought I use this as a journal or diary, and every night I will write about that day in a small gist. So that's how I'm going to use this planner. And the yearly spreads that are available in this planner, I will just convert it into that's related to like journaling or diary, like journaling prompts or some guided journaling. Number 4, Alicia Souza planner. This is the another premium planner which is of very good quality and a little bit cuteness in it. So this planner is going to be my budget planner. So it has this yearly budget planning thing going on, and also it's very simple and doesn't have many like spreads and all, so it's perfect for like budget planning. It will be my money management planner. While I was using multiple planners in 2021, I didn't have a planner for budget specifically because I thought I will not be needing a planner specifically for budgeting, but I was wrong. I badly needed a system for organizing and managing my personal finance. At the end, I started using my Artchetype planner for like budgeting, and I just used it for my work as well as budgeting, and everything collapsed. It's kind of a mess actually. and that's when I decided I definitely need a separate planner for budgeting in 2022. So here it is, and I really like this planner vibe. That's why I picked this for budgeting. So here I will write my daily expenses. It will be my daily expense tracker. So I will write my payday and like bill payment days in here so that I won't forget. I think I can use this page for my goal setting for finance related, like money goals, and for the yearly thing I will maybe use it for the things related to money. Like it doesn't have a lot of yearly pages. Meal plan, I don't think I can write even 3 meals per day in this section, like breakfast, lunch and dinner. So probably I will turn this into anything that's related to money, like a savings plan or an investment tracker or some sort of. And I think I will be using this wellness tracker. I'm not sure yet. Highlights, maybe I can use it for finance. And this one I will definitely turn this into something related to finance because this is more of a personal spread, like a fun spread. And some blank pages, definitely I will use it for related to finance. And this pocket is really big enough to hold all my bills and stuff that I will store for each and every month. So after flipping through, I just thought this is just perfect for budgeting. So this is going to be my budget planner for 2022. And finally, these 3 is going to be my work related planner because it just denotes work in all these 3 planners, because this says work hard and be nice to people, and it's a perfect work space setup, and it's also have a nice aesthetic desk setup going on. These 3 will be my work related planners. I need separate planners for each of my work because it just need a separate planner. Let me explain. So first, this one, the June shop, going to be my planner for my freelancing job. It will be really suitable for my freelance work. Next, this planner is for my part-time job. I do work in another part-time job, so for that this planner might be really suitable. And this planner will be my YouTube planner because it just have a nice setup, and I totally love Artchetype planner, this minimal clean look. So this is going to be my YouTube planner. I'll plan, organize my content for the Productive Girl channel in this planner. So I can't wait to use it. So these are my work planners. So I can have organized everything in one planner. That's how I did in 2021 as well. But it went a little overboard because just tracking everything, because there will be a lot of things to track in freelancing work, and my part-time job also, it's all about meetings and everything. It's really chaotic to organize my YouTube stuff between these. That's why I chose to have different planners. This might be a lot for someone, or it might be less for someone as well who use a lot of planners, but this is what essential for me. I'm going to use 7 planners. If you don't consider this as a planner, then it's 6 planners. I'm so excited to literally use all these planners for 2022. So happy new year in advance, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video might be useful for you guys in some way or the other. If you like this video and got some ideas, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I shall see you guys in my next video. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.